What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, and welcome to all my new subscribers to the channel. I hope you guys are doing just fine. Today's video is going to be talking about what 3 criteria you guys need to shoot for and look for when you're trying to find a winning product. And if you guys don't know me, I come out with videos every single Monday, so make sure you guys are subscribed for that down below. And when it comes to dropshipping, there's really 2 platforms that I use to do product research, and these are really the only ones that you need, and that's Facebook and TikTok. You don't need any type of paid tools in order to do proper product research, and there's 3 different important criteria that every single winning product has. So for the first one, it needs to have a wow factor. Any product that you find that's winning, whether that's a posture corrector, the laser epilator, it has a unique factor to it that makes it stand out from all the other products out there. And I can also use the example for the wireless chargers that I sold. Instead of it just being a lame old wireless charger that you plug in the wall and then just normally charges your phone, it's a wireless one that has a very unique design to it. And what makes this unique is that you can actually place your phone here, you can place your Apple Watch here and your AirPods here, and this just saves customers a lot of space and time when they're trying to charge their phone, whether that's them going to work or the gym. But the overall structure and sleekness of this product is what made it stand out and have a wow factor, and how it can charge your phone 2 times faster than normal chargers. And I'll also show you some other examples here of wow factor. So a quick example of wow factor would be this glowing ring, and this is something that automatically catches people's attention when they're scrolling on their feed. And as you guys can see, this has 2.3 thousand comments and 15 million views. Like, the videos that you create for your ads don't even have to be long. This is less than 10 seconds, but it's able to catch people's attention, keep them captivated, and want to go on to the website. So this is a very good example of a product that has unique and a powerful wow factor. Another example would be this hand massager, and right off the bat, you guys can see that it's a very unique product, and you don't see anything like this in stores. This isn't something that you can go into Walmart and buy. And the main reason this one caught my attention is because it's a device that looks almost futuristic, and there's nothing like. Another example would be this levitating ball here, and this is going to immediately catch people's attention because it's a futuristic and very unique looking device. Like, this is something that I've never seen before, and this is also something that you can't really find in stores, so that creates a sense of urgency to purchase it. And this immediate wow factor is what keeps people watching and want to go onto the website and purchase the product. So whenever you guys are trying to create your video ads, you need to focus on the first 3 seconds and make sure you get the uniqueness or the wow factor of the product out and show exactly what it does. So the second thing that these winning products need to have is a demand, right? So anytime we look at a product that we want to potentially sell, we need to do the proper research and see if it's in demand or not. And the best way to do this is to go on Google Trends and see the trend line, and then also going on AliExpress to see how many orders it's getting. Now, usually what I like doing when I want to figure out if a product has a lot of demand, I'll go on AliExpress, and here you can sort of search exactly what you want to sell. There's listings with 30,000 orders, 26,000 orders. So this is an example of a product that you definitely want to stay away from. What I usually recommend for you guys that are just starting with dropshipping is to stay around products that have around 5,000 or less orders on AliExpress. And another way you can see if the product is in uprising demand is by going on Google Trends. And let's say we wanted to search the massage gun, and you guys can see that it's pretty steady here. And then once you go to around 5 years or so, you can see that there's a steady rise over time, which is definitely something that you guys want to look for when you're trying to figure out if a product is going to be long term and if it's starting to pop off or not. And then one last thing that I like to do to check the demand as well is going on bigspy.com to see just how many sellers are trying to sell this product at the moment. So I enter massage gun, and then you can sort by the likes, and you guys can see that there's tons upon tons of sellers trying to sell this exact same product. So this is an example of a product that I would not jump on. Usually what I like seeing for a product that I'd want to start that is kind of low key, but has some demand, it's getting a lot of sales, it's by looking for at most around 5 to 10 sellers, and specifically for sellers that haven't got to the point to where they have amazing quality videos or have a actual logo onto their product. You just want to sort to scope the competition and figure out exactly how many sellers there are and how competitive your product is. And to tag along with the demand of the product, it needs to have a purpose, right? So why do people want to purchase this product? So for a posture corrector, people would want to purchase it because they're sitting at a desk all day, their back hurts, their posture is horrible. So this product provides a solution to correct their posture, and it's a obvious solution. And the same thing with the laser epilator. You know, why would women want to buy this product? A lot of women have hair problems, whether that's them not being able to get rid of hair on their legs or their armpits. It provides a quick and easy solution to their problem, and it's a very good convenience. And the main reason why you see these trendy products, you know, come and go is because they don't have a sole purpose to them, right? You know, whether that's fidget spinners, some type of toy or trendy product, like these products do not have a sole purpose to them. They're there for the initial wow factor, and then they slowly trickle off because they don't have a purpose. Use and purpose of this product, well, people need to charge their Apple products. People need a way to charge their devices much faster because people are constantly on the go, going to work, going to school, so they need something where they can wake up in the morning, you know, charge it for a couple hours, and then they're ready to go. You know, same thing with wallets or, you know, watches, headphones. These are things that people need and are willing to pay a premium for if you're able to brand it correctly. And really, there's a fourth criteria that you guys need to look out for as well, and that is having a very wide market of people that you can brand and scale your product to. You don't want to be selling a super niche product like something that has to do with like underwater basket weaving that doesn't really have a audience on Facebook, because you're not going to be able to build an actual brand or community and scale to that audience. And that's one of the main reasons why I decided to sell those chargers, is because it appeals to a very wide market. How many people have Apple devices? How many people in the Apple community just love to spend money on things that don't make sense, like $1,000 on an Apple phone, right? Other than that, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and got some value out of it and know exactly what you guys need to be looking out for when you're doing your proper product research. And make sure you guys subscribe and like down below. I will see you guys next Monday. Peace.